Look at this spider web. I hope it can get clear picture because the spider goes out the side already before the spider in the center of this web. Okay, and check it out. I'll show you there's some spider web in the grass. Okay, look at this. More of spider web in the grass. Then I never thought that the spider are doing that beautiful web in there. Where is it now? Okay, so hard to take a clear picture because so tiny fiber of the web. Okay, I'll check it out. Maybe there is some more. Okay, this is a clear picture of our simple house. I'll tour you around. See, our yard is up to that road and up to that fence of another house. It's kind of cute with some of these beautiful plants and trees, and just don't look at the mess, dry leaves now, because we've not been here for I think 3 weeks, so it's so messy. It's not checked. Okay, just bear with me, come with me. I'll take you touring around my yard. It's going to the backyard. It is a barn house, but there's no cattle, so we don't have barn. So it is a back porch. Okay, and it's a beautiful trees here. Yeah, never mind all this mess. We didn't clean it yet. A lot of dry leaves just from the storm last week. It's the barn house. Okay, it's our yard is from that I mean up to that fence. Okay, and this one, and in between, up to that fence also. It's the boundary. Then come with me, going back to the front. Okay, we'll go back to the front. So another one, beautiful trees, beautiful tree. Going back to the front. Okay, nothing much, just a simple house. Okay, thank you for coming with me. Have a nice day. Bye.